Some Afghan Hound owners braid their Afghan Hound's fur to prevent tangling or for decorative purposes. Afghan Hounds do not naturally have dreads, but neglected fur can mat and resemble dreadlocks. Afghan Hounds are an ancient breed with origins dating back thousands of years in the Middle East and Central Asia.
PetzPaws Rescue Crew is a nonprofit supported by purchases from PetzPaws.com. PetzPaws Rescue Crew does not take any payment from rescues, so if you want to support, visit PetzPaws.com and pick up a hoodie and wear it proudly.